Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a full review for you guys on DevaCurl. So I recently won a giveaway on Instagram and I won a full complete lineup of DevaCurl products, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I won. Starting with the DevaCurl No-Poo Decadence, which is a zero lather ultra moisturizing milk cleanser. Following up with the DevaCurl One Condition Decadence, which is also an ultra moisturizing milk conditioner. Next we have the Build Up Buster, which is a water cleansing serum. Next we have the Heaven and Hair Divine Deep Conditioner. And then we have a leave-in as well. And lastly, we have the DevaCurl Super Stretch, which is a coconut curl elongator for defining and control. As you can see, my hair is full of product. It's really, I don't want to say greasy, but it's very dirty. I need to wash my hair ASAP. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I wash my hair using the No-Poo and the conditioner. So to give you guys a quick review about the No-Poo and the One Condition, it was so good. I literally forgot how great DevaCurl products are. When I was washing my hair with the No-Poo, it made my hair feel so soft, and I love that. So my biggest thing about using a shampoo and when I'm washing my hair is, does it have a slip to it? Is it gonna make my hair feel more tangled when I'm conditioning and when I'm shampooing? Or is it gonna help detangle my hair? And honestly, I could even finger detangle my hair just using the No-Poo alone. I don't even have to use the One Condition. However, when I did use the One Condition, literally you guys, DevaCurl One Condition is the best conditioner out there. The slip that the One Condition provides is unmatched. It makes your hair feel so good. Even after I rinse all the conditioner out and all the shampoo, my hair still feels really soft. So now that I've cleansed my hair, I'm gonna go in with the Heaven and Hair Divine Deep Conditioner. I've never tried a DevaCurl deep conditioner before. This will be my first time. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's like a minty green color, and as far as the smell, it definitely has a minty smell to it. It smells good. Let's see, as far as the texture, it's definitely a thick consistency, not super thick, but just the right amount of thickness. I went ahead and looked in the back to see how long I should leave it in for. It doesn't recommend a time frame, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in my hair for 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair, starting from my ends, working my way up to my roots. I'm also gonna be using my hot head today as well to add some heat to my deep conditioning. So I've rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair, and just to let you guys know, a few things that I noticed about this deep conditioner was my hair was really smooth under the water and super duper soft. I also noticed a shine once I looked at my hair in the mirror, which was really good. You can never go wrong with adding a little extra shine to your hair. And my hair also felt really moisturized. Like, I can really tell that with the heat added to this deep conditioner, it really penetrated my curls really well. This deep conditioner also had a slip to it. The way DevaCurl made this Heaven in Hair deep conditioner, they did really well, because with the slip, it was so easy to keep my hair detangled. So I definitely recommend this to anyone who's looking for a new deep conditioner. This one is really great. You guys can see my hair. It has a little bit of shine to it still, and my hair is really soft actually, and very moisturized after that deep conditioner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move into styling. So today I'm gonna be styling my hair with the leave-in, and then I'm also going to go in with the super stretch to define and control my curls. I've never used neither one of these products, so I'm definitely eager to see how well this super stretch is gonna work. I'm kind of on the edge about trying this because I don't really look for anything to elongate my curls. So we'll see how it comes out for me. I'm gonna go ahead and read what it says on the back. For those of you who are not too sure, and you know, if you want to hear more about this product before you go and purchase it. So I'm gonna go ahead and read some facts about the styler that are on the back of the jar. If you have super curly hair and want stretched curls without losing definition, this multi-use styler has your name all over it. But I think that this would probably be best for type 3C and on. So if you have type 3C or type 4 hair, 4A, B, or C, I think this would definitely be great for you. If you have type 3A and 3B like I do, I'm gonna go ahead and be reviewing this for you guys to show you guys how well this works on our hair type. It also says, what does it do? The coconut infused cream stretches and styles. It elongates curls without compromising definition, while coconut oil delivers shine and moisture. The soft, velvety texture gives the moisture of a cream with the hold of a gel without a crunch. So it's like a 3-in-1 kind of, you know, it sounds really good. So it says here, saturate curls by pressing super stretch into clean, wet hair on a downward motion. Don't scrunch. DevaCurl, I'm not gonna follow that. Not today. So let's see what it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by applying the leave-in first. So now that I've added in the leave-in conditioner, a quick review about this leave-in. It's definitely a light leave-in. It actually feels like I was just adding water to my hair. Like, that's exactly how it feels. But as it's set in a little bit, I can feel a little bit of the product on my hair. So I love that it's a really light leave-in conditioner. That means that it's not gonna weigh my hair down at all, and it's just gonna moisturize it and just do its job perfectly. This is definitely a plus in my book. I love it. Now let's get back into this super stretch define and control. So here's what it looks like on the end. And as far as the smell, oh, you guys, this smells good. And as far as the texture, it definitely does feel like a cream. It's like somewhere in the middle. I'm really interested to see how this is gonna work and hold like a gel. So we'll see. I loved how great the super stretch was getting into my hair. It was definitely an easy and smooth process. It definitely does really feel like you're adding a cream into your hair, but I can definitely feel how it also feels like a gel as well. So I'm really interested to see how this is gonna play out. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair really quickly, and I'll be back with the final result. So I'm back and my hair is completely dry. I really loved this whole DevaCurl review. On a scale of 1 to 10 of everything that I used today, I'm giving everything a 10 because of the slip, because of the smell, because of the consistencies of everything that I used, because of how much moisture all of these products gave my hair. And I honestly feel like this wash and go is gonna last me throughout the week. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of jojoba oil and get that crunch out, and I'm also gonna go ahead and separate some of my curls. Look at my hair, you guys. Like, look at my curls. They look so good. If you're up in the air about DevaCurl, just try it. At least try it once and see if you like it. But I'm here to tell you, if you have type 3A and type 3B like I do, this is what it's done for my hair, and I really love it. I definitely recommend them to each and every one of you, no matter your hair type. DevaCurl is really great. I'm so glad that I won this giveaway to get these products. Like, thank you so much for sending me these products. So that concludes today's video. Hope you all love this review, and I hope you guys also get a chance to try out DevaCurl products. I know they're expensive, but it's definitely worth the price. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you all in the next video.